Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I created this teal gold look with using the Milani Gilded palette. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. By the way, if you hear a squeaking toy, I have a dog right here. You want to say hi? So we have a special little guest in this video. Everyone say hi to Slade. This is my brand new puppy. Oh, he's being shy now. This is my puppy that we got a week ago, a day and a week ago to be exact, but this is Slade. If you hear like a dog toy squeaking in the background, it's him, so please don't mind that. That's the noise that I'm talking about, just FYI. So I already have my face and brows complete, so I'm gonna go in and contour my eyelids. I typically use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, but today I'm actually gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer in the shade Light Vanilla. I actually really like this concealer. I think Milani does really well with concealer and foundation, so this is a oldie but a goodie for me. I'm gonna go in and apply that all over the lid. I'm going to try something new in this video. I'm not going to go in and set the eyelid. Instead, I'm just going to go straight in with the shadows. So I'm going to first go in with Extra Basic. I am just going to place that shadow on the crease of my lid. I am wanting to drag that shadow out to the tail of my brow to really elongate the eye. Next, I'm going to go in with Fembot. I really hope I'm saying that correctly. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. But I'm going to go in with this like peachy orange shadow. And then I am going in with my Morphe M506 brush and really focusing that shadow in the crease. Once I get that shadow placed, I'm going to go back in with my MAC 217 brush and really blend out the edges. Once I get that blended out to how I want it, I'm gonna go in with Eden, which is just a deep teal, and my Morphe M431 brush. This is clean, it's just stained. But I'm gonna go in with a clean Morphe M431 brush and just place that shadow on the outer corner. I am trying to be careful because of this shadow definitely has a lot of kickback to it. So I am going in with a light hand and then going back in and just building up that color. Now I'm just going back in with my Morphe M506 brush to blend that teal into the peach shadow. Once I deepen up the crease how I'm wanting it to be, I'm gonna go in, I think this is Loop, and on that same MAC 217 brush and really blend out that brow bone. Now I'm just going in with concealer to cut the crease and to clean up any mistakes that I just made. Once I get that set to how I want it, I'm going to go in with the shade Cleopatra, which, you know me, I love Cleopatra. Cleopatra and me, we're homies. I am going to go in with a concealer brush and dip into that shadow and then place it on the lid. So that brush really wasn't working for me, so I went in with the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to apply the shadow. I also went in with Ultra Gilded and mixed Cleopatra together, that way they stood out just a little bit more. Now I'm just going back in with my Morphe M431 brush and bringing that teal closer to the center of the eye. Now I'm just going in with my Morphe M506 brush and Loop and placing it on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going in with a pencil brush and, like I said, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, Fembot, I don't know, and placing that closer to the lash line. Now I'm going in with Eden and on a concealer brush, I am just lining my lower lash line. Once I get done with the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Metallic Liquid Liner in brown and add liner to my lid. Scratch that, I actually went in with black liner instead. Now I'm just going in with my mascara and apply my mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to go in and apply my false lashes. For false lashes, I'm going in with my 3D Fox Mink Lashes by Ardell. Now that I have this eye complete, I'm going to hop off here and finish this eye and I'll be right back. So now that we have the eyes complete, let's go ahead and finish off the face and then let's apply our lipstick and then we are done. So I'm going to first go in with my highlighter. For highlighter, I am using the Joavis Place Volume 3 highlighter and I'm just going in and placing that highlighter on my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and the temples of my forehead. Next for blush, I'm going to be going in with Beloved by Essence. It is just this pink warm tone blush that I think would be perfect for this look. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe M405 brush, which is just this fluffy angled brush. And I am going to stipple in the blush to my cheekbones. Now let's finish the lips and then we're all done. I'm gonna first go in with lining my lips. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Lip Liner in the shade Vanilla Sky. Then I'm just going in with my Wet n Wild Mega List Liquid Catsuit in the shade Send Nudes. And then that completes this look. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a video. And then if there's any type of video that you would like to see next in the near future, let me know by leaving a comment down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!